Hey guys, welcome back to Discover TV South Africa. I'm your host Julian, and I'm with Lily Hallows. How are you?
I'm well, thank you, and yourself?
Can't complain. What song are you going to play for us on this fine summer's day?
I will be playing Rebuild today.
Rebuild. Take it away.
Thank you. Here we stand on a wounded land. Air is filled with clouds of mist. We wash our scars with shooting stars. Ask for bruises to be kissed. So lay down your sword, it's over. And then people are bored, picking clover. Wrap a bandage round your wrist. How do we heal a nation? Oh, from ruin, devastation. Pick up your bricks, stones and sticks, and we'll rebuild. A breath of smoke from horror spoke. There's no shelter left to hide. We put our trust in shields that rust, but in each other we'll confide. The rubble's been cleared, but we're captive. The panic we fear's unadaptive. Let our hearts be our guide. How do we heal a nation? How from ruin, devastation. Pick up your bricks, stones and sticks, and we'll rebuild. How can streams wash these stains, but the dust still remains? Strip off all of your pride, let us all stand aside. We'll rebuild. How do we heal a nation? Oh, from ruin, devastation. Pick up your bricks, stones and sticks, and we'll rebuild.
Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So who is Lily Hallows? Tell us.
Well, Lily Hallows is, she's a bit of a pixie, I guess. She's a musician. And this song was actually in collaboration with Rada. Which is really amazing.
We actually supported the very first Rada album.
Oh!
Yeah, great initiative, and I'm a very, very proud supporter of it.
It's
I love
fantastic.
Rada. It does amazing things, guys. Go and check it out. It's rada.co.za, if I'm not mistaken. RADA.
Yes.
So go and check out Rada. It's an incredible initiative, and big shout out to the guys at Rada as well. So tell us how people can find out more information about you and follow your career.
You can find us about Lily Hallows on social media links. I need to know these off by hand. Instagrams, Spotify. Well, that's usually music, isn't it? Instagram.
It's all the usuals. Are you on TikTok? No, another one not on TikTok. Hey, we're going to have to start a TikTok thing here.
I've heard it's quite quite good, but
apparently so.
haven't really gotten into it yet.
No, neither have I. So we're in this together, guys. This is Lily Hollows on Discover TV South Africa.
Hollows.
Hollows. Sorry, Hollows. I'm
Like
terrible.
Pixie Hollows.
You see, now you got me. Pixie Hollows. Now I get it. Lily Hollows on Discover TV South Africa. Thank you so much for joining us, Lily.
Thank you for having
I'll
me.
catch you soon. We're out of here. Bye.